In this video, I will be telling you guys how to set up ComfyUI, and it will be a detailed guide. So for that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to install the ComfyUI from the link in the description below. So once you go on this page, you will see download ComfyUI link. All you have to do is to install it. And once you install it, you have to go to this link. Here you'll have multiple options: download for Windows, download for Mac, and download from the GitHub. As for the other operating system, Ubuntu, Linux, etc. Once you have installed the setup, just go ahead and click on the setup to run it. You also need to have a git bash in order to clone the repositories and use it in the ComfyUI. Once it's installed, it will look like something like this. Just click it and double click it and open it. It will run to a new project. You will be able to generate AI images and set up the workflows in it. So this is pretty much easy. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.